Do you feel lucky, punk? So, Dirty Harry, old movie, 44 Magnum. Okay, so this is Hot Wheels number 9 of 10 of the Blings collection of the 2005 first editions here, Dodge Magnum RT. Alright, some cartoon Magnums back there. I'm liking the police one the most. Definitely looks cool, but partially because it's the cleanest. What kind of yellow is this? Oh, it's metallic. Nice. I thought it was just a plain yellow at first. But we definitely have some fine speckling, so that's cool. Some sort of molding details raised here. Maybe that's a reflector or a badge. I'm not sure. This has the double spoke five spokes. Sorry, I can't speak. Very, very low profile tires, but that's fine. Door handle detail looks nice. Some finger recesses and then the pull above. The windows are just blacked out. Yeah, totally opaque, no interior. Going to the front, it seems like we have a chrome base or a chrome interior or some piece because, you know, this is chrome, but there is no interior as I just mentioned. Silver for the headlights is great. There's a little Dodge badge there. Let me zoom in on that one. Yeah, what do you know? That's actually printed pretty nice. Very nice. Okay. Then some deep recesses here for these vents in that area as well. And then this little accent here. I don't know what that is on the real car. It's just a ridge or a chrome strip or something. Okay, let's look at the bottom. Yeah, so it is chrome. So that grill is probably part of the bottom there. This side here, no fuel filler. Or did I miss it on this side? I guess it's none at all. Alright, actually relatively small exhaust for such a cartooned vehicle, but they have a recess on them, so they look kind of like tubes. This is great, something in the license plate area, so that's nice to see. Nice details here. And the taillights have some ridging and stuff. And maybe that's the license plate area? I'm not no, duh, that is. So what the heck is this thing? I don't know. I don't own a Dodge Magnum. Okay, so the Dodge badge there is nice. And actually this is one, I think the only Blings I have that actually has badge printing on it, right? The Magnum, the Hemi, the RT, all this stuff. That's really cool. I don't recall if I have another Blings like that. Okay, well, very cool indeed. Probably just 3D print the stock wheels, but let's see what happens. There we are with the original wheels that came on the Dodge Magnum. I'm not sure which way, where the brakes are supposed to be, but they do spin at the wheels, so anyways. I think I made the tires bigger than what Hot Wheels had, so they're filling the gap a little bit more. You'll see that the axle isn't centered very well on this side. You know, the axle is very far forward, so well. But it does roll, and I didn't have to drill it apart. I just clipped off the stock wheel and then reused the axle to mount these two new guys here. I didn't have too much paint detail. A little black in the grill areas there, some silver there, and some silver there. Oh, the taillights are red. Yeah, and then I had a little black in the exhaust tips. I think that's it. Also there as well. I find that even paint doesn't stick to Hot Wheels paint very well, so if I touch that, it's going to scratch off. So I don't intend to. I'm just going to put this away and not touch those paint effects. Alright, well, it's interesting looking, right? Okay, compared to a couple other cartoonish vehicles, I don't have too many station wagons in cartoon form, but a few Chorokyus to pull out today. So here's a Volkswagen Classic. What is this thing? A Type 2? Nope, the Volkswagen variant. Maybe that's the Type 3 Volkswagen. Anyways, Chorokyus seem to be a bit smaller, at least in overall length. And it's definitely a different type of deformation. Here's a Mercedes E-Class wagon. State there. This is pretty cool. I like it. And the last one is a Nissan Stage A or Stagia. I don't know how you pronounce that. This one's got putty mounting, so the wheels are cambered quite a bit. These are the original wheels from Chorokyu. I believe they're accurate to the real vehicle. I think it's basically like a Nissan Maxima station wagon. That's what the vibe I get. It looks very much like a Volvo from the back. Alright, well, there we go. We got definitely some cartoonish wagons. And I'm kind of Yeah, the Blings are definitely bigger, but I appreciate all types of deformation, it seems. So it's nice to see a different take on vehicles, how they could be deformed. Let's just get these guys spinning on its own for some nice customized photos. I like this black car here, that thing looks mean. Okay, well, yeah, Blings, I like them. I'm glad I got most of them. I didn't get all of them. You know, I prefer the ones that are actual real cars in real life, but I do have a few fantasy castings from them. I'm gonna guess maybe they didn't sell very well, because I don't think there are any more modern Blings from Hot Wheels past 2005, am I correct? Or it's not very often. Actually, I stand correct. I think they had the 300C that came out not too long ago, like it was a color shifters. So, yeah, they just don't call it Blings anymore. They're just tuned vehicles. Alright, well thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next tuned car review. Bye.